I guess negotiation is most important to get what you deserve in life. Now, it could simply be the price of the grocery that you have purchased from the supermarket, or it could be the biggest position or promotion that you have got in your life. It could simply be the best rate for the house or the car that you purchase, or it could be the positioning that your brand needs in someone else's eyes.
Hi everyone, my name is Aman. I'm a working professional working with Ganassoft. I've attended all the crack sessions, and one of the best sessions which I liked the most was the art of negotiation, taken by Mr. Asis Sabat and Mr. Debojit Sen. Whenever now I go for a negotiation, I do prepare myself back at home regarding not only the subject matter that I need to speak to my clients, but also on the factual base that what my client would be involved into. The second, before entering to any negotiation, I even segregate what is a non-negotiable and negotiable for the deal that I'm entering into.
Left, you see that okay, what are the negotiation levers that you have? Okay, depending on which side of the table you have, your negotiation levers can be changed. In this case, for example, context here is that we were trying to outsource some of our products to another pharma company. And again, there was multiple players. So one of the negotiation lever for us was that what's the revenue that they'll be able to generate for us, what is the margin that they will give us, what is the upfront payment that they can give. Again, the list is many and it can vary from one context to other, but it's very important that so I list down that okay, these are the 8 to 10 negotiation levers that I have when I negotiate with the company.
So thank you, Crack, and thank you, Mr. Sabar, for getting me into such a good habit and understanding the part of negotiation in corporate to a different level.